Gardening is one of the most rewarding hobbies at any age, but for seniors it offers even more benefits. Fresh air, gentle exercise, and the joy of growing your own food or flowers make it a perfect pastime. However, some traditional gardening tasks can become challenging over time. The good news is that with a few clever tricks, gardening can remain an enjoyable and pain-free experience. These 13 genius gardening hacks will help seniors garden more efficiently, comfortably, and successfully. Raised garden beds. Easier on the back and more productive. Bending and kneeling can be tough on the joints, but raised garden beds eliminate that struggle by bringing the garden up to a comfortable height. Setting up a raised garden bed is simple. Choose a sturdy frame material like cedar wood, galvanized steel, or concrete blocks. A height of at least 24 inches is ideal for reducing strain on the back. Fill the bed with high-quality soil, enriched with compost for nutrients. Raised beds are excellent for growing vegetables like lettuce, carrots, radishes, and tomatoes because of their well-draining soil and easy access. Ergonomic gardening tools, less strain, more efficiency. Standard gardening tools often require gripping strength and repetitive motion, which can be challenging over time. Ergonomic tools make tasks much easier. Look for lightweight, long-handled tools with padded grips to reduce hand fatigue. A stand-up weeder allows easy weed removal without bending over, while a ratcheting pruner requires less force when trimming plants. Garden kneelers with handles offer stability when kneeling and standing, making every task safer and more comfortable. Drip irrigation. Watering made simple and efficient. Dragging a heavy hose or watering can around the garden can be exhausting. A drip irrigation system automates the process, ensuring plants receive consistent moisture without waste. To set one up, install a main water line connected to a timer, then branch out small tubes with emitters to each plant. This system works best for raised beds, flower gardens, and even container plants. Choosing the right system depends on the garden size, but adjustable drip lines allow for customization, ensuring every plant gets just the right amount of water. Vertical gardening, more produce in less space. For seniors with limited space or mobility, vertical gardening maximizes efficiency by growing plants upward instead of outward. Trellises, wall planters, and stackable containers allow easy access without excessive bending. Vegetables like peas, beans, cucumbers, and strawberries thrive in vertical gardens, and hanging baskets are perfect for herbs and trailing flowers. Using self-watering vertical planters reduces the need for frequent watering, making the process even easier. Container gardening, flexible, low-maintenance planting. Container gardening is perfect for small patios, balconies, or accessible areas near the home. Choose lightweight containers with good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Raised rolling planters are ideal because they can be moved easily to catch the sun. Herbs, cherry tomatoes, peppers, and salad greens grow exceptionally well in containers. Self-watering pots reduce the need for frequent watering, while large containers hold more soil, preventing plants from drying out too quickly. No-dig gardening, less effort, healthier soil. Digging and tilling can be physically demanding and can also disrupt the natural ecosystem of the soil. No-dig gardening eliminates this issue by layering organic material directly on the ground. Start by placing cardboard over the garden bed to suppress weeds, then layer compost, straw, and organic mulch to create a nutrient-rich environment. Over time, the soil becomes loose and healthy, requiring minimal work while producing excellent plant growth. Mulching, weed control, and moisture retention. Weeding can be tedious and physically taxing, but mulch dramatically reduces weed growth while keeping the soil moist. Organic mulch, such as shredded leaves, straw, or wood chips, insulates plant roots and prevents evaporation. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer around plants, leaving some space near the stems to prevent rot. Mulching also improves soil quality as it decomposes, making it an easy and effective way to maintain a thriving garden. Raised straw bale gardening, a natural raised bed alternative. Straw bale gardening is an innovative solution that eliminates soil preparation and bending. Soak straw bales for about 10 days while adding fertilizer to encourage decomposition. Once conditioned, plant directly into the bales. This method is excellent for growing tomatoes, squash, and flowers, and as the straw breaks down, it enriches the surrounding soil. It's a fantastic alternative for those with limited mobility or poor garden soil. Self-watering systems. Reduce daily watering chores. Forgetting to water plants is common, especially during hot weather. Self-watering systems, such as Olapots and water globes, provide a steady supply of moisture to plant roots. A simple DIY version involves burying a plastic bottle with small holes near plant roots and filling it with water. For larger gardens, setting up a rain barrel system connected to a soaker hose offers an easy and eco-friendly way to keep plants hydrated. Perennial planting, less work, more harvest. Annual plants require replanting each year, but perennials grow back season after season with minimal effort. Planting hardy perennials like asparagus, rhubarb, strawberries, and herbs such as thyme and oregano means less planting and more harvesting. Many flowering perennials like daylilies and coneflowers require little maintenance while providing beauty and attracting pollinators year after year. Adaptive gardening benches and rolling seats. Gardening with comfort. Spending long periods on the ground can cause stiffness and discomfort. Gardening benches and rolling seats provide comfort and mobility while working. Adjustable height benches with storage compartments keep tools handy, while rolling garden carts make it easy to move along rows of plants without excessive bending. Investing in a cushioned kneeler with sturdy handles ensures easy transitions between sitting and standing positions. Easy access pathways. Safety and convenience in the garden. Uneven surfaces can make walking through the garden hazardous. Creating smooth, wide pathways using gravel, brick, or pavers provides stable footing and easy maneuverability, especially for those using mobility aids. Raised garden beds should be placed with adequate space between them to allow easy movement. Keeping pathways free of clutter reduces the risk of tripping and makes gardening a safer experience. Bird and pollinator-friendly plants. A thriving ecosystem. Encouraging birds and pollinators into the garden helps with natural pest control and plant fertilization. Seniors can enjoy the sight of butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds while benefiting from improved plant health. Native plants like echinacea, bee balm, and milkweed attract beneficial insects. Installing a bird bath or a small water feature makes the garden a lively and inviting place for wildlife. Gardening should always be a source of joy and relaxation, and these smart strategies make it easier, safer, and more productive. By incorporating raised beds, ergonomic tools, efficient watering systems, and low-maintenance planting methods, seniors can continue enjoying their passion for gardening with less strain and more success. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe to Hydro Haven for more expert gardening advice, and share this guide with fellow gardening enthusiasts.